The Magnificent Three are here. Hello. You look so tan. Am I tan? Who wants to sit in the front? Because I'm short. You want to sit in the front?
Finish in the front.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey!
The whole crew's here. It's a little cloudy now. How was the flight?
Good. It was delayed.
I think every flight was delayed. So where do you guys want to go?
Dinner.
Are you hungry?
Put the stuff away.
You want to put the stuff
You want to go
first?
back to the apartment first?
Okay, that's good.
Just after 1:20.
Rachelle's like, I'm gonna sit over here. I don't like this song.
And I slept in my plane. Come on, Michelle. You know you wanna
Get in the
you wanna
get in the
I'm tired though. What are you doing?
Michelle is grinding. That's what she's doing.
Grinding?
She's only grinding her lower half.
Oh, look. Hey! Do it again. Hey!
Stage fright.
Stage fright.
There's no space back here. It's okay. It's okay.
Keep going.
We're just missing Channing.
Hey!
Can't make it rain because I have no money. I'll make it rain coins. Right? We are here for fried chicken at Hidden Place.
Is this it?
Yeah, they have the picture of the chicken. Are you ready? Are y'all hungry?
I know.
Huh? Yeah, it is because there's the picture of it right there.
Oh, is that
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
How's the process? Can we sit here?
You guys want to sit outside or inside?
I feel like I'd sweat sitting outside.
Yeah.
Chicken on Mario.
Wait.
Chicken one.
Yes. Or 5. Oh, is this?
So it's small.
Oh, she understood.
Two orders maybe. Duge?
Two?
Duge?
2 or 3?
2 or 3.
Just a 2.
Just 2 is good for now. If you guys want, you can
start with
order.
2. If
You
we
can
don't
order
have
the
to order.
noodles if you want.
Okay, so just 2?
2.
Okay.
Yeah. Chopstick professional over here. Yum yum in my tum tum. Service. 감사합니다. Oh yeah.
Alright, what are you guys getting?
It's light meat, dark meat. I like it all. I
I like the
discriminate.
legs.
There's only one piece left, guys. How's the chicken? Yummy?
Amazing.
How's the chicken? Don't lie. Not the best.
It's not the best, but it's good.
It's not the best, but we finished it, okay?
I think it's good.
This sauce is making the chicken right now. This
It is.
sweet chili.
This sauce. And I don't even like sweet chili sauce like
You
that.
don't?
Not like that.
I didn't see you holding the camera. I thought you were just talking to the chicken.
I do that sometimes.
This sauce is so making you right
yes.
now.
You're looking great, girl.
Going coconuts for coconuts.
Are they empty ones or?
Ooh, they have a straw in them.
I guess you can get it.
I want a fresh one.
Oh no, these ones are filled already.
They're filled?
Yeah, they were drilled and filled with something else.
Aww.
What teases? Let's get out of here.
We are at Hamdeok Beach again. Hamdeok. We were here in the daytime and now we're here at night. He's sticking big sausages on sticks. Over there.
I just need you to narrate my stuff.
Going in here looking for Twix ice cream.
No, we're just looking around.
Don't even lie.
야, 자기야. 이리 와봐. 누구는 언니랑 이렇게 해서 앞으로
They sell shorts in here?
have your green one.
Because you never know.
They have melon. They have Snickers?
I know, I'm about that Snickers.
Womp. For you. Fail. No Twix ice cream at this one. Beach actually feels different at night. Like a different good. Guys, I don't have my pills, so I can't get drunk. Just letting you know.
You'd just be like one beer in.
I would be like a lobster. A baby crawfish color. We're gonna go have drinks on the beach. Oh, I thought that was her. I was like,
Oh, she's here?
yeah, she was waiting here.
That water is surprising me.
It's beautiful.
You saw the pictures.
Go ahead.
During
Ain't
the
nobody
day,
stopping
it's
you, girl.
crazy. Like over here, it kind of looks
warm?
Yeah, it's warm. Well, it was cool during the day.
Warm?
It was cool.
cool.
It was perfect. Cold? Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. But the water is so blue. It looks like a swimming pool. Like in pictures. Like it? Okay, time to get out. I got wet. My dress got wet. Is it Yum Yums?
Yeah.
Complimentary drink for sitting your booty down. I want taste. We just walked to the end of the pathway and there's nothing there but an old couple. Oh, what's going on? I swear Koreans love announcements.
They love.
Right?
Oh my god.
Who is speaking? Everything in Korea is cute, okay? Even the fireworks. Just a mini one.
Guys, where the fuck are we going? Are these stairs?
I don't know. I can't jump this high, guys.
Okay, there's stairs.
Okay. Unless you want me to break my ankles. Like, not gonna make it down. There's always these tents set up for people to play darts. Oh, that's a fake Pooh Bear. That's knockoff Pooh.
Yeah.
He looks like he's aging.
Weird.
Look at the little chicken. The chiclet.
That is cute.
Get the chiclet. Get the chicken.
How many do you need to get the chicken?
What did you win last time?
Little toy like that, yellow one.
Are you guys both playing? Somebody get the little chickie. Oh, there's a mini dartboard set. Woo! 하나. 둘. Oh. 하나. Start off over again.
I have a pink one. Oh, wait. Can I play again?
Upgrade. Okay.
Upgrade. She gonna upgrade you.
Let me upgrade you.
Oh my god, it's too hot. I can't function.
VIP.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. That's knockoff Hello Kitty too. Look, Hobby's cousin. He's brown.
I saw him. He looks like he is.
What, that one?
It's hot out here.
Where's Hobby's cousin?
You're doing a great job.
Yeah. We're your cheerleaders.
I would.
Annika, she's our man.
Woo! Woo! We're so loud. Ooh. Oh, she upgraded you to the next one. It's still little. Aww.
Oh, this is how they get you.
Looks like, I don't know, it looks like sperm.
I was gonna say that, but I was like, maybe I shouldn't.
And then I will say it for you. Where's the colors?
Comes from those.
We used to play this as a kid and like get in,
What?
but this is supposed to be
What are
water.
you supposed to do?
Well, when we were younger, we would hold a blanket and toss one child in the middle.
Oh yeah.
You ever did that?
So dangerous.
It was fun. You have enough people.
I think they are fishing.
It'll be a funny picture with someone.
Oh, it's fishing. I want to ride this guy.
You want to ride him?
Yeah.
What, this guy?
Yeah. Peanut, look what they would do to you in Korea. Be happy I don't dye my dog's hair like that. Actually, I did dye my dog's hair once. I gave him a mohawk. Just the tips. Just the tips. Then I cut it off. Is that a quacker thingy? Sounds like a duck. Oh, sorry. Who's singing?
Looks like a brothel.
It's
A brothel that smells really nice.
doing? This guy just kicked the door.
Him?
Yeah.
He does not like his
What
job.
is in here?
If this isn't one way, what I tell you about one way?
It says aroma business. Ooh, it's a
Both cars are facing
club.
this way, so.
It looks flashy. It's a strip club? Do they have strip clubs here?
I think they do, but
They have strip clubs
I was
everywhere.
told they do not. But I'm sure there's something.
Well, they have that.
It says business, so they
Oh,
mean
definitely
Straight.
strip
this
club.
is a strip club.
I
I kind of wouldn't mind going, but
Go straight. Go straight. There seems to be less cars.
Tourist hotel right there, Aroma.
Yeah, that's not
we can't find parking.
I'm so not used to Korea.
We just witnessed a fender bender. It was intense. Nobody died, but anyway, we're here to go to the top.
Probably the boyfriend, because he came out like,
He's like, motherfucking what?
girlfriend's car.
Hit my car. Hit my car again. See what happens. Shilla. Holy crap. Are we properly dressed for this? Guys, just act like ballers, please.
How much is the wine?
I don't know. I think it's like 30,000 for the cheapest bottle or something.
35.
30 or something like that. It's really nice in here.
The place
Oh, okay.
we bought is even better.
Look here, Miss Binky. you
My surname is Vinegar.
you have to get a stay with us first.
12 floor.
Yeah, 12th floor. We can relax for a second. Enjoy the view. We chose not to stay here, but what? You don't want to sit with us? You can't sit with us.
Yeah.
I want to go outside.
Oh, can we go outside?
I wonder if we can go outside.
You want to ask her?
Yeah.
Ask her what?
You guys want to go outside or you want to stay indoors?
We can rotate.
We're going to get the Weekend Winery.
Yeah.
What's red wine?
They have red and white.
Fancy.
We're at the rooftop of the Shilla.
Thank you.
It's not as lit as I thought it was going to be from here, but they have dessert, guys, or just drinks.
I think. Saw something too.
I want some.
She didn't give us a food menu.
I want some
just wine.
cake or something.
Me too. I want cake.
I want like cake or ice cream or
cake.
something. Filming me, filming you, filming me.
I want to show you your drama really quick.
Priscilla just shot a Korean drama starring myself
Korean
and
drama, you guys.
some random Korean guy. I could have looked sadder, you know.
I should have told you, yeah.
Rochelle, your stuff.
How's the bathrooms here, guys?
Super.
They have liquid soap.
Super.
What do you guys want to drink? Everybody for themselves or bottle?
I'm okay.
You want to get a Coke?
What's the cost of a bottle compared to?
A glass is 7,000. So actually, that doesn't really save us much, huh? That doesn't save us shit. So we don't really have to get a bottle. You could just get a glass. I think I'm gonna get the 7,000.
That's true.
She's like, I don't want to save money. I want some drink now. So we're at the Shilla and we haven't got any service, but
Because I saw her walking and then she pulled this thing.
I always buy some blue
I
wine.
didn't see a waiter. Wow.
Yeah.
To Korean service in Atlanta.
Got 'em.
If you ever go to Atlanta, this is how they treat you. If not worse.
Excuse me. Do we order here or up front? No, wine.
Wine? Oh, here.
Okay. Do you guys have desserts too?
The restaurant's
Okay.
How are they gonna give us the bill before they give us the fucking wine? Look, Shilla, get it together. Okay? Because Shilla is shit.
That's why we're not staying at that hotel.
Exactly. That's why we're going to the Kingsington.
This was one of the choices?
This was one of the brand hotels that we could have stayed at.
Oh, this is actually the hotel that my food teacher told me about.
But there's one in another
That's
area.
the real one.
It's
down in
bigger.
Sopipo.
I'm waiting for my wine.
Better. See, I don't like it when they just fill their wine to like here, like proper service.
They will
up
never
here.
do that.
There.
I'm gonna taste one of your wines.
Is it better looking on the other side?
It's very dark and creepy and there's no tables.
Oh, okay. We picked a good side then.
No tables.
Give me a minute.
Smells very fruity. Didn't you just talk about how?
Yeah.
You just talked to us. Look, Rochelle, it's half full, not half empty.
Little tap empty to me.
Rude. Thank you.
Kamsahamnida. Why can't they just fill it to here?
Well, it's on video. We'll soon find out.
And you know, video sometimes lie.
You know, it's kind of crazy. You would think they would have like nuts on the table or something.
Right?
They even have that at cheap restaurants. Can we not get some nuts on the table?
We're already bougie. We are in
I
this
know.
mindset. We're like, no, like.
It's good? You want to try mine? Can I try yours? Oh. You have so much. Look at this dip. What the?
It's because Kimmy down here already.
No, I only took a
Oh, look
sip.
at mine. I just took a
Yeah, I know.
sip.
Yeah, I took a sip too. I mean,
I like the red more. The red one's probably gonna be